wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best kayak anchors. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Although plenty of options are sold in kits, the Extreme Max Folding is just an anchor, so if you need a replacement, it's one to consider. Offered in both galvanized and stainless steel, it's less expensive than many choices that come complete with accessories. It's good for small boats and canoes too, and works well in weeds. It's easy enough to retrieve. At number 9, if you'd like to slow down rather than come to a complete halt, the Moocy Drift Sock is a drag, but in a good way. It's made from a rugged ripstop fabric that can take some abuse, and when you're finished, it folds flat for hassle-free portability. The reinforced nylon won't fray easily, and it sports a plain black styling, but there aren't many size options. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Extreme Max Boattector kit is proof you don't have to spend a pretty penny to get the basics you need, from a folding galvanized anchor to a marker buoy, and unlike many, it comes in a larger 5.5 pound option. It includes a padded storage bag for protection and hollow braid polyethylene line. However, that rope is shorter than most. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kayak anchors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, this Danielson mushroom isn't necessarily a go-to in all situations, since it usually adds double the weight of a grapnel, takes up more room, and doesn't function as well in swift currents or wind. On the other hand, it's a bit less likely to get stuck. It's simple and uncomplicated, and available in 3 sizes, but the coating could be tougher. Moving up our list to number 6. Go ahead and put the yakgear yakstick to the test. With its high-strength fiberglass construction, it won't snap or let you down. Plus, it's comfortable with a beefy foam grip that ensures it works equally well as a push pole as it does a stakeout stick. It's equipped with a rigid nylon point and a rope attachment area in the handle. However, note that it is only for shallow and calm waters. Halfway up our list at number 5. To be clear, the yakattack leverloc doesn't include an actual anchor. Instead, it's a trolley system that makes your existing model more versatile, by giving you better control for fishing in windy conditions or in areas of high current. It comes with USA-made paracord along with pulleys and pad hooks, but note that it requires installation. At number 4, the oceanmotion foldable is fine to use as it is, especially since it comes with reflective rope, but if you want to add a longer line, it uses a removable shackle for your convenience. However you configure it, you can store it in the handy padded cinch top bag. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, it is less robust than some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. You've got the option of either 1.5 or 3.25 pounds with the Seattle Sports Kit, so if your vessel is truly lightweight, you don't have to carry around more anchor than you need. You'll also receive 50 feet of bright yellow line and 2 carabiners. It offers a good price to quality ratio and a rope attachment that's firm and secure. It comes with a carrying sack. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kayak anchors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, owners of small watercraft won't need much space to store their best folding because it's a tidy 12 by 3 inches when closed. But to make stowing it even easier, the set includes a nifty nylon storage bag that cinches via a drawstring. It's galvanized for durability and includes a 1-year money-back guarantee. It weighs 3.5 pounds. And coming in at number 1 on our list, every piece of the compass kit is thoughtfully designed, from the steel folding anchor that's painted red for excellent visibility to the bonus 5-litre dry bag for security. These touches ensure you won't have to worry about rust or broken gear anytime soon. The set includes a red and white buoy, 40 feet of marine-grade rope, and a stainless steel snap hook. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kayak anchors, or simply click beneath this video.